Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to lock or set up a SIM card on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the security and privacy tile. And then scroll down again underneath other settings and select more security and privacy. And then scroll down underneath where it says security and select the SIM lock tile. So if you want to enable the lock SIM, which requires a PIN to use the phone, click inside this oval to turn it on. You have to enter in a lock SIM PIN in order to create the lock settings, and then you would select OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.